The Department of Health vows to push for a total ban on firecrackers, even as it reported the lowest number of injuries in 5 years. Acting Health Secretary Janet Garin said there were a total of 860 firecracker injuries from December 26, 2014 to January 5, 2015. This is lower by 16% than 1,018 within the same period during the previous year's festivities. This report.
The Department of Health's campaign against fireworks was a success as the country posted the lowest number of firecracker-related injuries since 2009. The agency announced 860 firecracker injuries from December 21, 2014 to January 5, 2015. DOH reported 146 eye injuries, while the Philippine National Police recorded 1 dead and 45 injured from stray bullets. Piccolo caused the highest number of injuries at 272, followed by Quitis, unknown firecrackers, and Lucis. Although grateful with the lowest number of firecracker injuries in 5 years, Acting Health Secretary Janet Garin is set to pursue the implementation of total firecracker ban in the country.
Total ban on firecrackers, selective ban on fireworks. Ibig sabihin, yung fireworks, i-allow mo lang siya sa public areas handled by experts.
For its part, PCSO has extended help to the victims of firecrackers.
Imbis na yung mga mas nakakailangan na matulungan natin, na yung pumipila sa amin, ay napupunta lang to sa mga naging biktima because of indiscriminate firing, itong mga pagpapuputok during the New Year na hindi naman necessary.
PhilHealth has also allocated funds for the victims.
At bilang health insurer ng bansa, meron din po itong impact sa funds natin.